Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. Myself Sneha Devdare, your grade 1 maths teacher. How are you all dear students? Fine? Okay, doing studies? Good, very good. So students, we will start with our math subject. Take out your saffron textbook everyone. Sit straight everyone. Take writing materials. Yes, in the last period we have learnt about the clock. How we can read the clock. What it has? Face, 2 hands. Okay, this also we have learned. Now we will start with our practice time. Okay. Question 1. Look at the clock and tell the time. You have to see the clock, hands also of it, and you have to tell the time. One has been done. So here you can see the minute hand is on 12, hour hand is on 6. So what is the time? 6 o'clock. Okay? Or else you can write like this also in 2 ways. Fine. Now the next is the minute hand is on 12 and the hour hand is on 2. मैंने क्या बताया था? जब मिनट हैंड 12 पे हो और आर हैंड कौन से भी नंबर पे हो तो वो कितना टाइम बताता है? Yes, exactly that many hour. So where is the hour hand? On 2. Minute hand on 12. So 2 o'clock. What is the time? 2 o'clock. So fine, or else 2 o'clock. Got it? Now next. Now where you can find the minute hand? On 12. Hour hand on 9. Very good. So 9. 9 are 0 minutes. Or else 9 o'clock. Okay? Write in your textbook, dear students. Write in the textbook 2 o'clock or else 2 hours 0 minutes. Finish writing. That 9 also you write. 9 o'clock. Finish? Okay. Now the next you have to write first. Let me see what you will write. The minute hand is on 12. Hour hand is on 1. So what is the time? मिनट हैंड 12 पे है और आर हैंड 1 पे है तो क्या हो गया टाइमिंग? Yes, what will be the time? Write it. Fine. Now let me check. See, the minute hand is on 12, hour hand is on 1. So time is, yes, 1 o'clock. Everybody wrote? 1 o'clock? Wrote or not? Sorry. Everybody got 1 o'clock only? Very good. जिसने गलत लिखा है वो ठीक से लिखो. हाँ? Next, minute hand is on 12, hour hand is on 11. So what is the time? Good, 11 o'clock. Fine. Next, minute hand is on 12, hour hand is on 7. So what is the time? Yes, 7 o'clock. Okay, write this both. Come on, write it fast. Write that 11 o'clock and 7 o'clock. Finish? Okay. Turn the page. Yeah. What is the question 2? Draw hands of the clock to show the given time one has been done for you. Okay. Now students, what you have to do? You have to draw the hands. पहले इसमें उन्होंने हैंड्स ड्रॉ किए थे, हमें टाइमिंग लिखना था. यहाँ पे टाइम दिया है, हमें हैंड्स ड्रॉ करने हैं. ओके. सी फर्स्ट वन इट इज 4 o'clock. Okay. First one it is 4 o'clock. So how you will draw the this one, minute hand and hour hand? Yes, minute hand will come on 12. Hour hand will come on 4 because it is 4 o'clock. Okay, minute hand तो 12 पे ही आएगा, सिर्फ hour hands change होंगे. Now here what they have told to show 8, to show 8 o'clock. Okay, so minute hand draw on 12, short hand draw on 8. मिनट हैंड कभी भी हमें लॉन्ग ड्रॉ करना है और शॉर्ट हैंड शॉर्ट ही करना है. ओके. तो चलो मिनट हैंड 12 पे और आवर हैंड 8 पे. नेक्स्ट इज 5 o'clock. व्हाट? 5 o'clock. सो अगेन मिनट हैंड ऑन 12, आवर हैंड ऑन 5. ओके. कम ऑन, डू इट. Right? Do it fast. Finish? Next. Now next they have asked to show 10. 10 o'clock. Or else 10 hours 0 minutes. How you will show? Come on, show on the clock. Show on the clock. Done? Have you drawn? Okay. Let me see. See, this 10 means minute hand will come on 12. Hour hand it will come on means come towards the 10. Everybody has done same? Good. Next, 2 o'clock. So minute hand on 12, hour hand towards 2. Okay. Minute what they have said now? 12 hours 0 minutes. Okay. So how we will do now? Minute hand भी 12 पे और आवर हैंड भी 12 पे. ओके. कम ऑन, राइट. कम ऑन, बी इट फास्ट. Finish writing 2 o'clock and 12 o'clock. Good. Now the days, new concept is days of the week. What? Days of a week. यानी वीक में कितने दिन होते हैं, है ना? Fine. Now see what Manjit says. I am not feeling very well today. The doctor has advised me to rest for a day. Manjit says, I am not feeling well and I want to take rest for a day. Then what this mother says? Don't worry Manjit, tomorrow is Sunday. You can rest as much as you want. So what this lady says? Tomorrow is Sunday, so you can take rest as much you want. Sunday कब होता है? संडे के दिन हम स्कूल जाते हैं क्या? नहीं. क्यों? क्योंकि संडे के दिन छुट्टी होती है ना? तो जैसे संडे है वैसे ही दिन बहुत सारे दिन होते हैं. क्या होते हैं? दिन होते हैं. ओके. हाउ डिड मंजीत मदर नो दैट टुमारो इज संडे? मंजीत की मम्मी को कैसे पता चला कि कल संडे है? दिस इज बिकॉज ईच डे हैज अ नेम. The name of the days in a proper sequence are given below. Okay. How the Manjeet's mother came to know that tomorrow is Sunday? Because each day has name. हर दिन जो उगता है उसे कुछ ना कुछ तो एक नाम होता है. आपको भी नाम है ना? Yes. वैसे ही हर दिन को एक नाम होता है ना? इसीलिए उनको पता है कि कल संडे है. तो ये जो दिन के नाम है ना, द डेज ऑफ द नेम्स ऑफ द डेज, दे हैव गिवन इन प्रॉपर सीक्वेंस. ओके. सो द फर्स्ट डे इज, सी, फर्स्ट डे इज मंडे. This is one day. What it is? Monday. Monday you come to school? Yes, it is working. So M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday. Then after Monday, what comes? Tuesday. What comes? Tuesday. Spelling T-U-E-S-D-A-Y, Tuesday. Monday के बाद आता है Tuesday. Okay. What comes after Tuesday? Tuesday के बाद क्या आता है? कौन सा दिन आता है? Wednesday. Which day comes after Tuesday? Wednesday. Spelling W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y, Wednesday. Okay. Then after Wednesday, Wednesday के बाद कौन सा दिन आता है? Thursday. T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y, Thursday. Okay. फिर Thursday के बाद कौन सा दिन आता है? Which day comes after Thursday? Good. Friday. Which day? Friday. Okay. Then after Friday there is one more day. What is the name? Good. Saturday. What? Saturday. Okay. And then the last day comes. That is Sunday. Fun day. Yes na? Sorry. Sunday. Okay. So our week starts from Monday, ends to Sunday. Fine. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Sunday को छुट्टी होती है ना? ये पूरे 7 दिन मिलके एक वीक होता है. फाइन. मंडे से मंडे, ट्यूसडे, वेडनेसडे, थर्सडे, फ्राइडे, सैटरडे, संडे. गुड. हाउ मेनी डेज आर देयर? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many days? 7 days. So 1 week is equal to 7 days. एक आठवड्यामध्ये 7 days. Okay? Week म्हणजे आठवडा. Got it? Now where you can find this days, names of the days? कहाँ पे मिलता है? I will show you at the last. Okay? Now we will move further. See, 1 week is equal to 7 days. By convention, we take Monday as the first day of the week. Fine. Note that there are only 7 days. Fine. It does not increase also, it does not decrease also. 1 week में सिर्फ 7 days ही होते, वो बढ़ते भी नहीं है और कम भी नहीं होते. Okay, these 7 days from Monday to Sunday together make a week. Fine. The day starts from Monday and ends to the Sunday. ये पूरे 7 दिन मिलके एक week तैयार होता है. Which day of the week is today? तो आप लिख सकते हो कि आज कौन सा डे है, whether it is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday or Sunday. Whichever day is there, you can write here. Okay. Now here one poem is there, so you can sing this afterwards. Okay. So that you can remember the days of the week. Next, months in a year. What? Months in a year. See what the talk is going on. When your summer vacation will start, teacher? In the month of May, Fabian. There are 12 months in a year. A year has 365 days. जैसे दिन होते हैं वैसे महीने भी होते हैं, है ना. अभी कौन सा महीना चालू है, देखो पूछ के अपने पेरेंट्स को, है ना. जैसे दिन होते हैं वैसे महीने भी होते हैं. और महीने में इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं? मंथ्स. क्या बोलते हैं? मंथ्स. So like how 7 days are there, like that how many months are there in a year? 12 months. How many? 12 months. So the first month is January. Which is the first month? January. Okay. See here you can see first month is January. Okay. After January comes February. What comes? February. Okay. Then after February comes March month. कौन सा महीना आता है? मार्च. फाइन. फिर मार्च के बाद कौन सा महीना आता है? 4th is अप्रैल. कौन सा है 4th महीना? अप्रैल. और अप्रैल के बाद कौन सा महीना आता है? Yes, this is May. Which one? May. And in month of May we have summer vacation. Yes ना. May month में हमें क्या होते हैं? स्कूल को महीना भर छुट्टी होती है, समर वेकेशन होते हैं, है ना. So this 5th is May. Next, what comes after May? Yes, it comes June. What comes? June. Then after June comes July. What comes? July. July is on 7th number. Okay. Then what is there on 8th number? Which month? August. Which one? August. Then after August comes September. What comes? September. Okay. Then after September on the 10th, which month is there? October. Which one? October. 10 हो गए, हमें और 2 चाहिए, है ना. On 10 October is there. Then on 11th there is November. What is there? November. And the last is December. Okay, the last is December. Fine. So total how many months are there? Count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, है ना. तो ये 12 months मिलके एक साल बनता है. Okay, the 12 months it's all together form 1 year. अंडरस्टूड? गॉट इट? एक महीने में कितने दिन होते हैं? 30 और 31. I will show you that on the calendar afterwards. Okay, say everyone. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay, very good students. Okay, remember this. January is the first month and December is the last month. Fine. Okay, now we will solve with my practice time 2. Okay, my practice time 2. Complete the sequence. Okay, see, in sequence we have now days of the week, so that we have to complete. Okay, Monday, Tuesday comes Wednesday. First tell me the names, then afterwards you write. Wednesday. After Wednesday, good, Thursday. Then Friday, Saturday is there, and Sunday. Okay, write in your textbook students. स्पेलिंग्स अच्छे से कॉपी करो. Write it fast. Finish writing. Write it fast. Finish writing. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Sunday you have to write. Rest all days are there. Finish. Okay, now so how many days are there in a week? Yes, there are 7 days in a week. Now the next is, see, months in a year. Like days, we also have months in sequence, so you have to write in sequence. Okay, January, then February. First tell me the names. Then March. Then January, February, March, April. After April, May. June is there. July. Sorry, after June, July. Then August. Then September. October is there, November is there, and the last is December. Okay, right. Come on, write it fast. Come on, write it fast. Be fast, students. February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Finish writing. Okay, next question 2. Fill in the blanks. There are dash days in a week. How many days are there in a week? Yes, you have written here. So how many days are there? Good. There are 7 days. Okay. How many? 7 days. Write it. Next, there are dash months in a year. साल में कितने महीने होते हैं? 12. Good. 1, 2, 12. Right. Finish. Good. The first month of the year is. साल का पहला महीना कौन सा है? कहाँ से स्टार्ट होता है? गुड. जनवरी. राइट हियर. Write it fast. Finish. Next, the month of dash comes just after October. अक्टूबर के बाद में कौन आता है? November. November. Okay. So write here November. Wrote. Okay, now this hot question. Okay, now I will take this orally. If today is Tuesday, then which day of the week will be tomorrow? अगर आज Tuesday है तो कल कौन सा डे होगा? Tuesday के बाद क्या आता है? Good. Wednesday. Fine. Azhar was born in September and Revati was born 2 months before September. Which month was Revati born in? अजहर कब बॉर्न हुआ है? सितंबर में. और रेवती कब बॉर्न हुई है? 2 months बिफोर सितंबर, यानी सितंबर के पहले 2 महीने. तो कौन से महीने में रेवती का जन्म हुआ है? 2 months September. So September and August, 2 months before. So it will come July. Okay, understood? Fine. Now see on the next page. Yeah, maths in my life. Manjeet has learned that exercise help us to stay fit and healthy. For this, Manjeet has decided to do one more exercise each day. Given below are the names of different exercises. Write the days on which Manjeet should do this exercise. The days should not repeat. See students, exercise हमें कैसे रखता है? फिट और हेल्दी रखता है ना? तो ये बात मंजीत को समझ में आई. तो मंजीत ने क्या किया? हर दिन एक एक्सरसाइज करना है, ऐसे उसने डिसाइड किया. तो नीचे यहाँ पे कुछ एक्सरसाइज या फिर एक्सरसाइज के उन्होंने क्या किए हैं? नेम्स दिए हैं. तो हर एक दिन कौन सा एक्सरसाइज मंजीत करना चाहिए ये आपको लिखना है. बट रिमेंबर द डेज शुड नॉट बी रिपीटेड. ओके, तो यहाँ पे आप नेम्स ऑफ द डेज डाल सकते हो, लेकिन रिपीट मत करो. दिस यू कैन डू बाय योर ओन. ओके, सो व्हाट आर द थिंग्स वी लर्नड इन दिस चैप्टर? टाइम, वी लर्न व्हाट इज क्लॉक. ओके, मिनट हैंड, आर हैंड किसे बोलते हैं ये लर्न किया. फिर उसमें 2 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 10 o'clock कैसे बताते हैं वो भी हमने सीखा. देन वी हैव लर्न डेज इन अ वीक, 7 days in a week, and year also, 12 months in a year. Okay, Clock means a device to see the time. Week, a period of 7 days. Okay. So students, like how time you can see on the clock, जैसे हम टाइम क्लॉक पे देख सकते हैं, वैसे डेज और मंथ्स कहाँ पे देख सकते हैं? Can anybody tell? Yes, we can see the days and months on the calendar. This is Marathi, but then too I will explain you. See, on calendar we can see the days and months, year also. Okay, but currently you study about months and days. Fine. So this is January. It is written in Marathi, but I will explain you. Just pay attention. First year, first month, sorry, not year, first month, January. Okay, January. And here you can see Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. 7 days. Okay, 1 page, 1 month. जैसे कि मैंने बताया, पूरा एक महीने में कितने दिन होते हैं? 30 या फिर 31 डेज होते हैं. तो 1 से स्टार्ट करो. ओके, तो 2, 3, 4, 5 ऐसे लेके 31 तक पूरा जनवरी का महीना खत्म होता है. फिर जनवरी खत्म होने के बाद आता है फरवरी. क्या आता है? फरवरी. इसमें भी डेज है, इसमें भी दिन है. फिर फरवरी खत्म होने के बाद आता है मार्च. ओके, सो लाइक दिस यू कैन फाइंड months and days on the calendar. Okay, see, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, then again comes on Sunday. Okay, 14 तारीख को क्या है? संडे है. 15 डेट को मंडे है. 16 डेट को ट्यूसडे. 17 डेट को वेडनेसडे. 18 डेट को थर्सडे. 19 डेट को फ्राइडे. 20 डेट को सैटरडे. फिर और 20 को क्या आएगा? संडे ही आएगा, क्योंकि 7 डेज ही होते हैं. लेकिन महीने, ये जो मंथ है वो चेंज होके. अंडरस्टूड? So students, like this, in this chapter we have learned how to read the clock and days of the week and months in a year. Hope all the concepts are clear to you. Do practice on time. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.